Welcome to Sunplay Pool Villas, Bangsare, Pattaya. We're located in Bangsare at just 15 minutes from Jomtien and 20 to 25 minutes from Pattaya city. Sunplay Pool Villas is located in the Bangsare Hills, so we're just at a 5-minute drive away from Bangsare town as well as its beachfront. This project will house a total of 23 luxury pool villa units, customizable and expandable to your own wishes and desires. Let's have a look at the first show villa. Let's take a look at the show villa, which is on a land plot of approximately 950 square meters and a built-up area of 257 square meters. Follow me inside and let's have a look. As you can see, you have parking space, so you can easily fit 2 cars. And then open your door. As soon as you enter, on your left side, you have an individual toilet, followed by your kitchen with this massive counter, which you can access from behind. So you have all this room to cook. You can even put some high tables there, turn it into a bar, and look at this special hood and extraction fan that just lifts up. This far side of the kitchen, you have room for your fridge and more cupboard space, as well as an oven. And through this door, you will find your maid room as well as a maid bathroom. And opposite your kitchen, you obviously have your living room, this gorgeous living room with these huge windows and a ceiling height of 4.7 meters. And in this corner, you can choose to opt to put your dining table, easily fit a dining table for 6 to 8 people. And now let's take a look at the first room, which is right here. Walk inside, of course, all the space you need. It even has direct access to the terrace from these sliding doors. Really spacious, airy feels in every room, making them seem like they're all master bedrooms. And in this side, you have your closet space. And opposite your closet, you have your ensuite bathroom with sink, shower, and toilet. Now let's go have a look at the second bedroom. I said there were 3 bedrooms. We just saw the first one. Let's have a look at the second one. And it's in a bit of a peculiar place. If you follow me through your living room, open these amazing sliding doors, which give access to your pool terrace with a 12x4 swimming pool. You will come here to your second bedroom, which can be perfect for guests or just if you want to stay away from your family. Now let's go inside your second bedroom, again with views of your garden, views of your swimming pool and pool terrace access. Cannot forget the closet space in this corner, and right through here your ensuite bathroom with toilet, shower and sink. Now let's come back inside because I need to show you the third and final bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Follow me. Right here. Here you have your master bedroom, biggest out of the 3 rooms, of course. Pool access, of course. And you can just wake up with the most gorgeous view of your swimming pool with your garden. Now you're probably wondering, Alex, where's my closet? Where am I going to put all my clothes? Well, if you follow me behind the sliding door, on your right, you will find your walk-in closet right there. And right through here, from your walk-in closet, you have your ensuite bathroom with his and her sink, as well as a bathtub with your garden view and pool view. And right this side, let's not forget the rain shower and the toilet.
If you're interested in purchasing a new property in Thailand, whether it's in Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, Hua Hin, Koh Samui, Krabi, or Koh Phangan, make sure to contact us. Thank you.